Alright guys, gonna do something a little different today. We're on a private claim. I can't discuss any details about it. I will not be taking no videos of where the claim is. Okay, it won't let me zoom. Anyhow, but what I am going to do, we have been doing prospecting, just digging in areas and bringing them back to TC's house and running them through some homemade cleanup sluices with Gold Hog matting. And then we've got a fine sluice, not my little mini sluice that I made another one, but all our fines are going to be run through it. I'll explain everything when we get here, but that's what we're going to do today. I'm sorry I cannot get us, well, I'm sorry I'm not going to take y'all to the destination. Somebody said that people can literally take frame photos from the video and pretty much do a GPS tracking somehow or another. I don't know if it's true or not, and I can't take that chance on what we've got. And at the cleanup, you'll understand why. But that's long enough. I've gone over 2 minutes. Enough of an intro. See you at TC shop. See you then. Alright guys, here's what we got going on. We got our mini sluice that's made. We've taken samples. I know the sun's bright. Classifying them, running them through the mini sluice, and we got a couple buckets of dirt out there to do the same thing. Running it off in a 5-gallon bucket with a kiddie pool, catching all the material, classifying it, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, 30 mesh. We're gonna check all of that material again. So I'll bring y'all back here in a bit. Alright, bye. Alright guys, quick update. About 30 minutes, that's how much material we went through. We made these boxes. We got one, if you can see it, propped up. Having to order a mat for it. We ordered enough for 2 of them, but wound up they're too aggressive. We didn't have enough water flow. That one on the floor is our cleanup mat. So we got to order another mat for that one over there. This is all the material that's classified in the 1/4 and the 1/8 inch here. The bottom bucket's catching minus 30 mesh and above 30 mesh between the 1/4 inch. And we got our system data over there on the notepad, writing down, go ahead, writing down location of where we found it. And when we're done, these will be rerun again. Then the fines is going to be rerun on the mini sluice over there, what I call the mini sluice. The rest of it's going to be garbage. So that's where we at right now. We'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, here's what we got going on. That's 1 bucket of material, slurried. I'm fixing to put them in that classifier. This is our last bucket. Get anything 1/2 inch or above 1/2 inch in there, and run it through the sluice. And then this bucket and that bucket is our concentrates. Kind of supposed to be a 1/4 inch above, but some of the fine stuff didn't make it. But we're going to rerun all of that through, and that's what that is. And then we're going to do the mini sluice, clean up. But it's where we at right now. It's been a little bit since I've shot a video there, so let me get this mixed up for tea, and we'll be back here in just a little bit, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the V-groove matting doing the fine cleanup. TC's gonna pan the above 1/4. So we'll bring you back as soon as we get this run. Alright everybody. These are the nuggets that we found. That's a penny. This is our fine gold. And we're fixing to wet her up. So give us a second and we'll get it weighed up for you. Alright guys, while TC's working on that fine gold, we're gonna, I guess first thing we need to do, turn that on and set the tare. Oh crap. Let me do that again. Alright. See what our little nuggies weigh. Now 1.9 on our little nuggies. Alright, see what we got on the fine stuff. .7 on the 5. Fine. Alright. Well, hell. Alright guys, that's what we got. I hate I can't take everybody along with us on this journey, but it's one of them things. And I hope you like this video, and until next time, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.